Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video unboxing what I bought at the Traveler's Factory at the Tokyo train station in Tokyo. So I already showed these. I got these for free. They had these little magazines there. So of course I went ahead and got them. They're so cute. And let's see. I don't know why, but this one opens backwards. Just all the cute stuff they have. And like examples of people using theirs and stuff. So I got those. And then I got this tote bag. It's really cute. A really cute design, so I picked this one out. I got these stickers, and I kind of showed them quickly in my other haul, but I'm going to go a little bit more into detail of all the stuff I got specifically at this store. So this is embossed and stamped. So I got these stickers. And then I got this brass tag. So here's my traveler's notebook that I've had for about 8 years, that I've been using for 8 years. As you can tell, it's a little raggedy looking. And then I might just add that right there. Because I didn't buy the notebook that was embossed with the Traveler Station logo and everything. That you can only buy there, and it was gorgeous. It was like gold embossing, gold stamping, like right on the front, like it was like the big, but they only had the brown notebooks, and that's the color I already have, and I didn't want to get what I already had. It just didn't make sense to me, so I just got this brass thing that they sell also. It's like limited for the train station, so I just got that instead. And then I got a notebook also for like a future trip that I can use for a future trip. And then here's notebooks I've used. It got really blown out. This was our Europe trip, and then this was like the Japan trip. The Japan trip's actually quite not as huge, but so I used this plain notebook to do like previous trips, and then I used like a small size notebook to do like another trip. But I really like using the big ones. You can fit a lot more in them. But I did get a small notebook. So I didn't have a passport size before. The passport size is basically this size. Actually this one's a little bit bigger. This is, what is this? This is when we went to England and Ireland and Scotland. I think this is a moleskin journal. So these are actually, the passport size ones are a little bit smaller, as you can see. But anyways, I got the passport size, and I got the blue color. They were out of camel, but I think I might have liked the blue one anyways. And because I'm thinking the small size will be perfect for like 1 week trips. Like a 1 week trip would go in here, and a 2 week trip would go in a bigger size. So like any future European 2 week trips can go here, and like 1 week little trips would go here. So I got, the bands for it, because I didn't have the size before, so I didn't have anything for it yet. And I got this zipper case that has, let's see what it has, since I'm doing the unboxing. Let's see how the zipper case is. Basically, okay, so it has like, you can put 2 cards in here, or 2 smaller things in here, and then 1 bigger thing here, and then there's like a zip pocket here. So that's actually kind of nice. I have a similar one for the bigger size, and it works pretty well. I've had it for a long time. Here it is, but it's two big sections, and then a zip pocket in the back. And this one has, I actually like this better. I like it when it's like you can fit smaller things in here. And then I got an MD paper cream notebook. I think usually they come, this one comes with a blank notebook. I think it's MD paper white that it comes with. And then this paper is cream. And then this paper is blank. Kraft, this is Kraft paper. And then this is lightweight paper, which is basically Hobonichi, like Tomo River paper. And it comes with 80 pages because it's lightweight paper, and this is 64 pages. Yeah, it's actually much lighter. It's a little bit lighter, even though it's more pages. And then I got the watercolor paper just to try it out because I've never had it, and I figured it would be nice to try it in like a smaller size. So I got all those, and then I got the rubber bands to like add, you know, however many things. And then I got the Kraft folder as well. And I have the Kraft folder for the big size, and it's held up well for like 8 years. It's still going strong, so the Kraft folder is actually really nice. So it's $3.30 for the watercolor paper, so that's like $2.50, like $2.50, which is way cheaper than what they cost around these parts. So, and this is only $2.64. That's only like $2 for this like refill. So, and then the specialty refills are all like $2.50 or whatever. So let's open the notebook. I haven't opened it yet. So let's see. Oh, so exciting. And you get like an extra rubber band here that you can use. Get that. Okay. It comes in this, yeah, so you get like, this is a rubber band that's an extra, like a refill. And it's actually navy blue, it's not black. Oh, and an extra refill in gold. And then you get a little canvas baggie for it to store it or whatever. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it looks almost black. It's very like, it's got like, this one's a lot smoother. This one's a lot more kind of textured. So I don't want to like go like that with my nail just to see how it's going to mark up, but I'm a little bit curious to see how it's going to mark up. And it has the Traveler's Notebook logo here. Traveler's Company, Japan, made in Thailand. And then has the, it's nice. And I actually have, I think maybe extra pockets. I had bought some pockets that I put on here, and I'm not sure, but I might have, do I have any left over? I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure I need a pocket. But anyways, here's one of the bands, and then these are refills in case this band goes, like this one's starting to be a little bit loose, but it's not too bad. It actually still holds up pretty well. After 8 years, I haven't had to like change anything. Haven't had to change anything out after 8 years. So they, I mean, these work. Like once you buy this notebook, it's pretty much good for the rest. That's why I didn't buy another big brown one, because once you have one, you can use it the rest of your life, because anything that goes bad, like these rubber bands are replaceable. These rubber bands are all replaced, like everything's replaceable, and the leather itself will last literally forever. So, yeah, so there's really no need for me to buy another big brown one. But I did go ahead and buy a little one because I always wanted a passport one. So this is the MD paper white, and this is the MD paper cream. I'm going to open it and see what's going on. Are they actually different? MD paper. Oh yeah, look at that. So this is, it's the same paper. No. This one feels thicker. This one actually feels a lot thicker. This one feels a lot thinner. I don't know. I mean, maybe not. Well, anyways, this one feels a little bit different. It's a little bit smoother. So that's the, and then you still get that big front thing, and then You know, if you're at the store, they have the stamps that fit perfectly into it. Wait, let me show you. Yeah, if you're at the store, you can get a stamp and it fits perfectly into that square or into that rectangle. But obviously you know. But there are lots of things that fit perfectly into that like for this one, I had a stamp at home of the Eiffel Tower, and then it actually fit perfectly into that square. So I just went ahead and stamped it. So anyways, but I really like having that square in the front. And then, okay, so I have like an empty cream paper refill for a trip. And this paper is actually really nice. You can like even watercolor in it, like do light watercoloring, like don't use too much water type of thing. But you can do that, you can draw in it. And then this is the lightweight paper. And I've had that before for like my big notebook. But it's basically very like this, I don't know if they say it's Tomoe River paper, but it's basically like Tomoe River paper. Yeah, it's like super thin, and you're gonna get a lot of ghosting through it, but you can really watercolor in it. Like that paper holds up really well to watercolor, actually. Even though it's so thin, it holds up really well. It's as good as Hobonichi journals for this paper, and it's 80 pages. And then I got the watercolor paper. Let's try it with that. Some people didn't like it, so that's why I wanted to get like a small. And then, well, I had the opportunity to get it pretty cheap because I wanted to try it out before committing to like a more expensive large size. Okay, so it's like thick paper. I'm gonna have to try it out and let you guys know how it actually holds up to watercolor. And it's perforated, so you can like, if you make something you really like, you can take it out easily because the sheets are perforated. But that's interesting. And it's only 20 pages because it's pretty thick paper, so it's only 20 pages, whereas the other ones are like, the lightweight paper is 80 and the normal notebooks are 64. And then I wanted to try, I've been wanting to try their Kraft paper as well. So let's try their Kraft paper. Oh, okay. It's nice and thick too. It's a really nice neutral background. It would be nice to like do art on as well with like white highlights. So what's going on here? Oh, how cute is that? It's like a little sheet where you can put your name and everything in here. Huh. Oh, okay. It's the back of that. It's like a passport. That's really cute. I wonder if they all have that. I didn't even bother to look because it's the passport size notebook, so it's like passport themed. So I wonder if they all have that. Oh. I want to kind of put them back in there until I use them, just to. But I wonder. Actually, now I'll have to like reopen them and see if they all have that. Okay, this one has that. Oh my gosh, they do. Look, even the watercolor one has that. How cute is that? I didn't know they all came with that. I love that. So you can like label your little notebook in case it gets lost or just for memory. Refill lightweight paper. Yeah. That's adorable. Okay, I love that. Let me see, does this one have it? Yeah, okay. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure the cream one is gonna have that too. So that's that, and then I'm gonna add the Kraft folder in, and the zip folder in, and then it's gonna be good to go. Here, I'll show you how it like. Yeah, here's the Kraft folder. See how it holds up like really well. And I have the watercolors in here. They go like right in there. I might make a little one for the little one. I don't know. And here I just put them in the back because otherwise, like you can see, if you put them like in the front or to the side, they stick out. But if you stick them all the way in the back, then they're flush with the corner, and it works really well. So yeah, I'm gonna put that together, and it's super adorable. It's super tiny, and for shorter trips it's gonna be plenty of space, and also it's gonna be obviously much lighter and easier to carry around in a small backpack. It's really interesting. It's got a different, like a very different texture to it than this one. This one's like smooth leather, and this one's like matte leather. So it has the leather smell. It definitely has it. Okay, let's see if this one has it. Yeah, this one doesn't have it anymore. It's had 8 years to air out. This one still has it. It's so cute. I love that. Okay. See, if you put it against black, you can see. I don't know if you can see. But yeah, this is like a navy blue, but that's almost a black. So anyways, enough rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing from the Travelers factory at the train station. They have another location. They have a couple other locations spread all over the place. But one of them is at the Narita airport, which unfortunately we didn't go to. So this was the only one I made it to, and it was quite difficult to find, but definitely worth the effort. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back later. Thanks, bye.